Hey everyone, my name is Rajiv and I am currently running for the position of the DIS President. So a little bit of information about my past leadership experiences. So I was the president of SSG back in the year 2019 and 2020. I am the former first year IT representative of the DIS and also the former managing editor of Coursera. And therefore, with this knowledge and experience, I believe that I am credible enough to perform the duties and responsibilities of being the president. I believe that strengthening the freedom of expression of the students would elevate them and include them in the discussion of the betterment for our college. Nafe-feel ko kasi na parang some students feel like hindi na-value yung mga suggestions nila, yung mga comments nila. Kaya gusto ko na if I were to win this election, then yun, i-strengthen ko yung nila. Gusto kong ma-include sila sa mga discussions na gagawin ko sa DIS. So actually, sa aming party list, console party list, what we want to improve is the transparency. Kasi based sa past administration, yung transparency talaga is parang questionable. So sa aking administration ngayon, na gusto ko talaga transparent lahat. So hindi ako makikinig sa isang isang story ng isang student. I will always advocate na if ever there are stories, and of course napakarampant ang mga misinformation ngayon, especially in social media. Napakabilis mag-spread ng information and misinformation. Saka therefore I will always listen to two sides of the story kasi it's a very it's very biased at saka hindi ko malalaman yung true story talaga if pakikinig lang ako sa isang side ng story. So, underrepresented student is a real problem in colleges or department. So, ako bilang isang former first year IT representative na marami talaga akong naririnig na mga comments na parang hindi nabo-voice out yung mga concerns nila and suggestions. So, during the administration of Chavs na ginampanan ko talaga yung position ko bilang isang representative, and every time na may mga suggestions or comments sa mga freshmen na ginagawa ko talagang top priority na ma-address yun at ma-bring up sa aming organization. And then, after that, nag-voting kami kung okay ba siya sa amin. At saka, yun lang.